Iginiit ni President Rodrigo Duterte na hindi option para sa Pilipinas ang pagsabak sa gera kaugnay na agawan ng teritoryo sa West Philippine Sea. Sinabi yan ni Duterte sa kanyang talumpati sa testimonial dinner ng San Beda Law Alumni kagabi. Ayon kay Duterte, pakikipag-usap ang tatahaking landas ng Pilipinas, bagamat hindi pa raw niya maidetalye ang kanyang buong plano. Kailangan din daw kasing ikonsidera ang interes ng mga kaalyado ng Pilipinas gaya ng Amerika. Gusto raw niyang ipadala si dating Pangulong Fidel Ramos sa China para makipag-usap.
I have to consult many people, including President Ramos. He might want also to be one of the... But I would like to respectfully ask him to go to China and start the backbone. We do not also want to offend the United States. Why? Because we have identified ourselves allied with Western powers. So there's an interest which we should not forget. Our interest and the interest of our allies.
Pero ayon kay FVR, baka raw nagbibiro lang si Duterte nang banggitin ang tungkol sa pagpunta niya sa China.
This is not to show any disrespect to the President of the Philippines. But you will have to consider my increasing age. But I can do the job. However, I have bigger commitments in terms of peace in the world and sustainable development.